Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you create post finance TWINT with QR code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To create and activate post finance TWINT using a QR code, what you need to do is first head over and open up your app store, and then on the search bar type in post finance TWINT and then look for an icon like this and then tap on it. Now tap on get button and follow the on-screen instructions to simply download the app. Now once the app has been downloaded, tap on open, and now here what you need to do is tap on start, and now tap on yes and then tap on next. Now here enter in your mobile number, and then once you entered it and tap on next, you'll receive an SMS code. Enter the SMS code to verify your phone number, then enter in your post finance debit card details, enter the last 5 digits of your IBAN number, accept the terms and conditions and continue. All you gotta do is wait for activation later. Then once you receive the letter, open the letter and find the QR code inside, then open the TWINT app once again and go to the activation section. Scan the QR code using your phone's camera within the TWINT app. Your TWINT account is now activated and linked to your post finance account. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.